The T-Compressor by Techivation is not just one, but it's 3 compressors built into one plugin. On the top panel, you can enable up to 3 stages, and this works in serial mode. Let's go ahead and start with one stage of compression. You have common controls such as a threshold, attack, release, and a built-in sidechain. Additionally, you can change the input and output, as well as engage auto gain. You also have a mix knob. Let's go ahead and check it out on this track.
And no gravity, how we're feeling when we're loving leisurely, so easily, and come back with me.
So there's 2 things that I want to address on this vocal stem. I want to tame the dynamics, but I also want to give a sense of roundness and warmth. So I'm going to enable 2 stages of compression. On the first compressor, I'm going to use a fast attack, fast release setting with a clean setting. And I'm just going to catch those transients, basically the loud parts of the vocal performance. Let's engage our plugin and adjust our threshold.
And no gravity, and no gravity, and no gravity.
And you can adjust the compression amount, which adjusts both the attack and release settings as well as the built-in ratio.
And no gravity, and no gravity, and no gravity.
So we're still getting 2 dB of gain reduction, but if you notice by the VU meter, it's responding much quicker. So that's the first stage of compression. The second stage of compression, I want to warm up the sound. So I'm going to choose the warm setting, but I'm going to use slow attack and slow release.
And no gravity, and no gravity.
For this, we're going to go for a 5 dB gain reduction.
And no gravity, how we're feeling when we're loving leisurely.
The first stage of compression is addressing the peaks, and the second stage of compression is addressing the length of the vocal passages. Let's go ahead and check that out in the track. This is before.
And no gravity,
and after.
and no gravity, how we're feeling when we're loving leisurely, so easily, and come back with me.
Let's check this part again, before.
And come back with me.
And after.
And come back with me. Space and time has always been a luxury.
So by having multiple stages of compression, you're not just using one compressor to clamp down the signal. You're able to distribute the compression amongst 2 or even 3 stages of compression with one plugin. For more information on T-Compressor, be sure to visit Techivation.com, and for mixing and mastering courses, you can visit me, Alex, at AlexProMix.com. Thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed this video.